Hey everyone, if you're thinking about signing up for Decktopus AI, you're definitely going to want to watch this video. I've been testing out this tool for a couple of weeks now, and in this video, I'll tell you absolutely everything you need to know about Decktopus AI before you sign up. Quick spoiler, Decktopus AI is definitely not a perfect presentation tool, but I would still prefer it over other tools I've tried, and I'll tell you exactly why that is in this video. Now, if at any point while watching you decide you want to try out Decktopus, you'll save some money if you click the link in the description before you create an account. So definitely take advantage of that link. It saved me a lot of money when I signed up. So let's get right into it. Here's everything you need to know about Decktopus AI. First off, Decktopus AI is an AI tool that was designed to help you easily improve your presentations. The group that created it was tired of typical presentation struggles, offering a fill-in-the-blanks approach to transform the process and make it a whole lot easier. Their AI streamlines the creation process, saving time and eliminating stress. It handles the heavy lifting while you can focus on delivering your message without struggling with any formatting or other issues. As the owner of a digital marketing company, I have countless presentations to make, proposals to draft, and designs to create. With Decktopus, I just fill in the blanks with my content and it's ready to go. I was able to easily add in stuff like my brand logo, colors, font, and connect my own domain to the document. But I have to be honest, the one thing that almost stopped me from using Decktopus AI was the price. I won't lie, it's a bit on the higher side, but click that link below and you will definitely get a significant discount. While the price is a consideration, I ultimately found the tool to be worth it for my business. It helped me deliver better structured presentations and get all the information across. And unless you have a very laid back job, time is money. So a tool that saves you time is always worth it. Do me a favor, if you made it this far, please drop a like on the video. It really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below and I'll answer every single one of them. Bye, guys.